I love you. Social battery needs to recharge. You're gonna hear the wind. You're gonna, hello. Hi. I haven't talked to y'all. You know what I mean? I'm about to eat. It is 7:23. I took my bobby pins out. I'm letting my hair free. I just showered, got all of that park dirt and dust, everything off of me. I'm feeling really clean. I'm feeling super clean. Feeling super tired. I want to take a nap, so I'm gonna go eat. Okay, I ordered some chicken fries, some Nashville hot chicken, and I'm gonna eat that, and I'm gonna relax for like 30 minutes because rather I take a nap, whatever the case is, and then I'm gonna get my hair together, do my makeup, and put on fit number 2. This is so much socializing. I'm not doing anything tomorrow. I'm off of work tomorrow. I'm not doing anything. I'm laying in the bed. Well, I do need to do laundry, so I have my work clothes clean. But other than that, that's gonna be later in the day. I don't have to do that early. I'm not doing nothing. Nothing. Oh, Dina. I'll see you when I get dressed. Goodbye. Looking my absolute best. I'm on the internet looking like this, but this is a natural girl. This is my hair. When you take the bobby pins out, it doesn't just fall like a white girl's hair. So this is who I am. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. It's 10:50. It's supposed to start at 10, but you know, it's a party, whatever. Hopefully the line's not crazy. You know, I just more uncomfortable. You know, I'm all about comfort. If I'm dancing, it's comfortable. You know, if they don't let me in with the holes, I'm turning right back around and I'm going to be in my bed, okay? Because all my other jeans are not ready for some dancing, okay? So this is what we're rocking with. I got this shirt for $5 from Target, and I'm aware y'all have seen this before, but y'all about to see it again, baby. Because listen, my wardrobe is limited and I be making videos and like, hello, you know, when I make $1 million, y'all gonna see different outfits or whatever, but right now I don't make $1 million, and this is life. Okay, so that's just what we working with. We're working with this. I'm gonna go because I'm glad I took a nap though. I'm so happy I took a nap because I don't think I would have made it without a nap. Okay, the rest of the clips are gonna be on my phone because I'm not bringing this baby because I don't want to worry about it. So the quality is gonna be different, but that's fine. All right, bye. Y'all. Oh my god. Okay, look. I got a little burger and some fries. I am so exhausted, and it's not even because I drank. Like, I legit was drinking water and sparkling water and seltzers all night and just maybe had one beer. But the music was so good that I was just dancing and having a good time, especially because I drank earlier. Dang, I wish they would have cooked these fries a little longer. Just a little. So good though. I got me a bacon burger. No cheese because I don't like cheeseburgers. It has just ketchup, lettuce, and tomatoes. I'm about to like hurry up and take a quick shower because I want to eat this and I want to enjoy it and not be so sweaty and gross. So I'll just put these in the air fryer if they get a little bit cold. Athena, it's past our bedtime, huh? Because what are we doing up this late? What are we even doing up this late? Girl, what are we doing? Look at me if you think it's past our bedtime. She said, girl, what you think? Tell them to subscribe if they like the content. We are going to bed. I am so tired. This is like too much socialization in one day. Like the music was so good. Okay, I had my headphones in because I was listening to some ASMR as an attempt to like not be on my phone and twist my hair because I really just like, I got out the shower, I didn't even dry my body off. Like I literally put the towel down in my bed and I laid there and I was like, I still have to twist my hair because if I don't twist my hair, I don't have any plans tomorrow, but the point is if I don't twist my hair every night, it's just smushed. It's not cute. I already like sweated out so much, and honestly I should have freaking like detangled it so that it can turn out better. So maybe, I don't know, but tomorrow I don't plan on going anywhere, so I guess on Tuesday I will see how it turns out. Really, I am going to go to sleep now. 4:33 in the morning, bro. Like, are there any other people that's in their 20s and I just can't hang? I can't. I did, but that it won't be it will be like another like 2 weeks or so before I even like think about leaving my house at 10 p.m. And I know that I also went to the Juneteenth event. I know, and that was so fun, so chill. Took that nap. If I didn't take a nap, y'all, I would have been back at my apartment by like 1:30 because what, you know? Like, ugh. My body is so used to waking up at 8:30. I wouldn't be surprised if I woke up in 4 hours because my body is so trained. And I'm gonna have to force myself to go to sleep by not getting on my phone and just like, yeah. So, we will see if I wake up in 4 hours. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm not singing, I'm barely here. I'm about to close my eyes. Let's say goodbye to Athena. Good night. Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. Alright, well, we out.